Welcome to Anant Pranali Private Limited ERPNext Guide. We will show you how to log in. In this video, we will understand ERPNext Login, Dashboard, and an overview of all major modules. Type your user ID and password and click on Login button. This is the main working area where you manage your entire business reports or master data. On the left side, you can see all ERPNext modules such as Accounting, Accounting Shortcuts, Accounting Masters, Payment and Tax Masters. Buying, you can manage purchase requests, supplier quotations, purchase orders, purchase invoices. In the Selling module, you can handle customer leads, quotations, sales orders, delivery notes, sales invoices, blanket order. Even you manage sales partner and salesperson, manage loyalty program, product bundle, promotional scheme, and many more. The Stock module helps you manage items, warehouses, stock entries, material transfers, and real-time inventory tracking. Maintain item masters and reports, product bundle, item alternative, stock transactions, stock reports, serial number and batch, and many more. The Assets module allows you to track company assets, depreciation, maintenance and asset lifecycle, asset location, asset category, asset movement, and many more. In Manufacturing, BOM creations, manage job cards, plant floor details, job cards, learn manufacturing, forecasting, production plans, BOM stock report, work orders, production planning reports, production process details, bill of material details, along with all masters and reports. The Quality module manages all quality inspection steps, quality goal, quality procedure, quality inspection, quality review, and many more. This is a complete overview of ERPNext Login and Dashboard. For more detailed tutorials, subscribe to Anant Pranali Private Limited, plus 919405882013, plus 919096762626.